Alright, what's up guys? So it's Sunday, midday. We're out here filming the build breakdown for you that we've been promising. And we went to the first shot and we looked behind us and there is now a fire that started right there, as you can see. But we don't want to get stuck up here, so we're gonna hop in the E36 and take off. Can't go back down.
No.
We've had a crazy day. You've seen the footage in some canyon, trying to get to Palmdale to get home. So figured we'd shoot this for you guys because it's a pretty good location. We have my 94 BMW 325 IS. We're gonna start with the engine because I think that's the most unique part. I swapped a 1J into it, so it's a non-VVTi 1JZ. Up front, we just have the Drift Motion oil cooler kit. We have the Honda Accord radiator for a nice big radiator to keep it cool. Two spalled 12-inch fans with a shroud. Then we have the chase bays, full power steering setup. For the 1J swap, 2J swap. Everything's heat sleeve, just aftermarket white pipe on the exhaust with a 3-inch straight pipe all the way out the back. And no tune or anything, just 12 pounds of boost and she rips. Onto the interior where all the magic happens. We have D&D supplying us with all the goodies to throw down. We have D&D seats, fixed backs, love them, super comfortable, good positioning, and they look sweet in the car. The red matches. Custom driftwood steering wheel, custom shift knob from Billet Works. Interior is completely stripped, obviously, for being a track car. The cage was put in by me. We have some custom door panels that came with the car. So shout out to the guy I bought the car from. Interior is very basic, very simple. Painted the dash because it's tan. Who likes tan dashes? And then I have a few gauges just to keep an eye on the engine, temperature, boost, oil pressure, dirt dropping, and then you get a hole in your oil pan. You know, you want to see your oil pressure. So oil pressure. So yeah, got all the important stuff and just keeping it simple. Quick tuning body kit minus the rear bumper. So we have the front lip, quick tuning, M3 front bumper, and then on the sides here we have DTM fender flares in the front. All the stickers and everything you see pretty much just threw on the car and made it a buddy's house. So just trying to throw a little style on it, you know. Quick tuning side skirts, M3 mirrors. We have a carbon fiber sunroof delete. Moving to the back of the car, we have Big Duck Club, 70 millimeter, I believe, over fenders, super JDM rear window visor. Not telling you guys where I got it. All the way on the trunk, we have a Rocket Bunny rep. So I got gold lug nuts all the way around, all gold everything. Then I converted to studs all the way around instead of the bolts, so I can run spacers, adapters. You know, it's a lot easier, especially at the track. And then also so I can run my sick 17 by 10.5 wheels to get this nice fitment here. So up front, running these sick factory BMW style 32 wheels. that are extremely bent and curved and chipped from hitting other people. They don't rub with the SLR angle kit. I've been running a 235 4017 tire since I've had the angle kit on. It's a good size, good grip. I run the Nito NT05s 17 by 8.5s with a 30 mil spacer. You get some backies thrown and you look sick. Pretty simple setup for suspension actually. Running BC coils all the way around. Up front is SLR Ultra Angle Kit. Been running it for a little over a year. Buttery smooth, lock to lock, easy, tons of angle. In the back we have aftermarket camber arms. Take the camber out of the car, realigned it, put poly trailing arm bushings on. There is no reinforcement done to the chassis yet. I haven't had any problems. Drivetrain wise, I'm running a CX Racing engine mount kit, a Condor Speed Shop solid transmission mounts with a steel transmission cross member, and I got an M3 drive shaft. Got it shortened for the swap because with the swap you got to kind of push everything back. So I got the drive shaft shortened, modified my transmission cross member, and for the diff I have rev shift bushings for the diff. That's it for suspension. Simple and it works. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that the car got smashed. It's pretty messed up down here. But positive side is I got these super sick LED taillights. That's pretty much a wrap on my E36. If you have any questions about the car, my setup, the swap, whatever, just comment or check our Instagrams out. Follow, subscribe. We're gonna do another one for a couple other cars, but if you enjoyed the video, just let us know. Simple car, gets the job done, and we gotta get home, so.